If your parents are senior citizens, then you already know worry. You think about their safety, you think about what could go wrong. You think about whether everything in the house is still working the way that it should. One free gift you can give them is a home safety checkup from Marsh Heating and Cooling. We'll take a look at their HVAC and plumbing system so you can have more peace of mind knowing things are up to date, working properly, and not showing signs of danger. And if something does look off, worn out, or unsafe, we'll let you know. Because at Marsh Heating and Cooling, if it's not good enough for our family, it's not good enough for yours. Most of us overlook equipment that's 10, 20, even 30 years old, and that's danger we can easily avoid and find out for free. Oh, and you don't have to be elderly. You can get a free system inspection too. We're proud to serve local families with the kind of care and honesty people can still count on. Call Marsh at 814-758-0036 to schedule your loved one's free home wellness check.